To adjust WeldMic settings, have the WeldMic plugged in via USB. Go to the WeldMic tool and select the microphone under Input Device. If there is no devices listed, click Refresh and check again. Now you should see levels start to appear. You can adjust the frequency input and gain, but the defaults should be good for most applications. If changes are made and you would like to revert, click the Reset Filter button. Clicking the Visualizations button will show the waveform of the incoming signal and the output. The red lines indicate audio clipping. Click the X to close this window. In the Output tab, the output of the audio is selectable, whether it is to the system or through the headphone jack on the WeldMic box itself. Output levels and control of the volume are here. The audio can be moved if not in sync with the picture by adjusting the value in milliseconds or using the slider. The amplitude of the individual frequencies are shown and can be adjusted. The smaller numbers represent lower frequencies and bigger numbers the higher pitched frequencies. The Reset EQ button will restore the equalizer frequencies to their default value.